everyone. My name is Nikisha Evans. Please excuse if you can't really hear me, but I'm coming down with a cold, hopefully not the flu. Um, I have been working in the mental health field for quite some time. Since 2012, I have been working with people with forensics backgrounds and dual diagnosis, meaning that they are sex offenders, prostitutes, murderers with depression, bipolar, schizophrenia. Um, you think of it, they had it. I did that for about a good 3 to 4 years, and then I moved to individuals who had severely mental health issues, cutters, bulimics, um, suicide, ideation. And now I work under DHS as a CUA case manager, which is a community umbrella agency. So I deal mostly with the youth and their caregivers or foster agencies or kinship providers. Um, I don't believe in mental health diagnosis um, as labeling them. I believe that they are individuals first and a diagnosis second. Um, I, for myself, it has been diagnosed with depression. Um, and in the beginning as well, I used to say, oh, well, I can't do that because I'm depressed. And I had to realize that that's not who I am. Yes, I have a diagnosis, but that's not who I am. So I help them understand that they are people first and a diagnosis second. We want to take away all that stigma that them themselves have in their head, um, or the fact that they can only have an SSI check. So I don't believe in helping them stay in a box. I want them to believe that they are important just like anybody else that is not certified diagnosed. I have not had any experience with creating or sitting on board of creating a DSM-5. Um, but I look forward to listening to those that are. So let's begin this journey together. See you later.